to download your music for free, what you're basically going to need is ES File Explorer, and this will basically allow you to play your music and to find the file and move it to wherever you want, to make your own playlists if you want to, copy them, etc. What I'm using is an SD card to actually store them on, because my phone's only like 8 to 9 gigabytes. As you can see here, it's 8.8. It's not a whole lot at all. And however, if you do use this method with the SD card, you may need a computer, because sometimes this app won't let you do it. Now, I've got a library of over 180 songs here, as you can see, scrolling down through them. And it took probably altogether a few hours. That maybe seemed like a lot, but considering how much you're saving in ads and listening to them, and this is what you're going to want to do, is go and simply Google YouTube to MP3. Now, it'll give you loads of sites to go through that are claiming to convert your YouTube video to an MP3 file. However, most of them don't work now, because it's sort of getting outlawed a little bit and enforced, and sites are getting taken down for fraud and stuff. Be careful whenever you go through and do this. I'll show you here in a minute how it is like whenever you download one. But simply, you're going to want to input the song that you want, like for instance, Imagine Dragons' Thunder. I'll use this as my example. And now whenever you go through the music videos, you want to get the lyric one if you want just the lyrics without the extra music video part in it. And it's pretty difficult to find them sometimes, because you got to go through them and figure out which one's which, and if it has that extra in it. So what you want to do is click on the top, copy the link to your clipboard for the video, and so you'll copy that, and then you'll paste it to the converter here in a minute. So you copied it, and then you go to the other tab. You need 2 tabs for this. And YouTube MP3.2 seems to be the easier one for me. It's the one that works right now. However, you will have to watch out for an ad. It does take a minute to load sometimes. It's a little finicky about that. But you paste your link there, and then you will go down to the MP3 thing if you want it in a different format. There's several formats here. I simply go with MP3 256 kilobyte because it's the recommended. 90% of the sites automatically do it in MP3 format. However, I've come across a few that do the MP4. So you press convert. Now it gives this stupid ad for another site, which is rather unfortunate that it does this. Now, don't be an idiot and click on this warning here. It's simply just a fraud, and don't believe anything it says. It's just lying to get your information. So then you go back to the tab that you were at, converting your video, and then you press download, and then that will download the file to your phone or tablet or whatever you're on. It will take a minute depending on your internet speed. Typically it's fairly quick, because it's just audio file. It's not the actual video, and that's why it's converting it. So then you go and open up ES File Explorer, and then you will go to your downloads folder, and then there will be the song. Now, if you want to move it from the downloads folder so you don't have to play it from the downloads folder, all you do is go down to the bottom, and then you can either play it, move it, copy it, etc., compress, encrypt, all the other things that you may want to do with it. And I'm going to move it to my SD card where all my other music is, and just like this, and then it will move it to there. It will tell you if it moved it or not, and then you can simply search it and play it.